In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files and folders to Microsoft OneDrive. Whether you're new to this process or just need a refresher, I'll guide you step by step to ensure that your important documents are securely backed up and accessible from anywhere. Let's dive in by locating the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. It resembles a small cloud and can usually be found alongside your network or volume control icons. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the taskbar to reveal hidden icons. Once you've spotted the OneDrive cloud icon, go ahead and click on it to open OneDrive. With the OneDrive window now open, the next step is to look for the gear icon, which represents settings. This icon is typically located in the top right corner, and clicking on it will open up a menu. This menu provides various settings options for your OneDrive application. In this menu, you'll want to select and click on Settings. Doing so will bring up another window featuring several tabs, each designed to help you customize different aspects of your OneDrive setup. The tab you'll want to focus on for our purposes today is the Account tab, which includes various options related to your OneDrive account preferences and management. After selecting the Account tab, you'll see the option to choose folders. This step is crucial as it allows you to decide exactly which files and folders from your device you want to sync with OneDrive. This feature gives you control over the content you keep backed up and available online. Once the Choose Folders dialog appears, you'll notice a list of folders from your computer. Each folder will have a checkbox next to it. Take your time to go through this list and check the boxes for the folders you want to sync with OneDrive. A handy tip here is that you can sync entire folders or just specific subfolders within them, depending on your needs. This flexibility lets you save space by avoiding the upload of unnecessary files. After you've selected all the folders you're interested in syncing, simply click OK to confirm your choices. At this point, OneDrive will begin syncing these files and folders to the cloud. Keep in mind that this process may take some time, depending on the size of the data you've selected and the speed of your internet connection. You'll know it's working when you see a sync status, such as a spinning icon, next to the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up OneDrive to sync your files and folders. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your important documents are safely backed up and readily accessible whenever and wherever you need them.